Guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video here on my YouTube channel. Today I show you how you can fix the message not sending error. So for example, I send a message to Avemoves and it won't send it to him. So the first thing you're gonna want to keep in mind that some people are only allowing friends to send them messages. So if you follow the person and the person follows you back, only then you can send them messages. For example, like for Avemoves, it's just like that. I'm just following him and he's not following me, so that could be a problem. But if that isn't the case, there's another way. You have to click on your profile on the three dots, scroll down until you see clear cache and click onto that. What this will do is just clean up all the stuff you don't need, and it will probably fix some bugs. If that doesn't work neither, there's another thing you can do, and that is go into your settings, scroll down until you see general, tap on iPhone storage, scroll down until you see TikTok, and then click on offload app. What this will do is just reset the whole app so that everything is clean and nice and there are no bugs anymore. So guys, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.